are more examples on addition in different moduli. Let's add up 23 with 13 in mode 6. Solution. We have 23 plus 10. Now the first thing we have to do is add up the numbers normally. 23 plus 10, we have 33. But we have to specify our answer in mode 6. And we said numbers used in mode 6 would be 0 to 6 minus 1, 5. That is only digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But 33 is greater, and to convert it to a number we can have in mode 6, we divide this 33 by 6. We have 5, remainder 3. So pick the remainder 3 in mode 6. And that becomes our answer. Since we said modular arithmetic can also be referred to as the remainder arithmetic. The second example, we have 19 plus 15. Add up normally. 19 plus 15, we have 34. Then we convert this to mode 5 by dividing by 5 and writing down the remainder. Now 34 is equivalent to, when we divide 34 by 5, we have 6, remainder 4. So we are picking the remainder 4, mode 5. And that's how to add in different moduli. Thank you.